So there was a discussion on the reciprocal tariff, but there were also handshakes, hugs and smiles. While tensions were looming large about what kind of this meeting would it turn out to be, however, they appeared at ease. There was full-on comfort, smiles, even Donald Trump telling Prime Minister Modi he was missed a lot.
A warm embrace.
Nice to see you again.
A tight handshake.
We missed you. We missed you a lot. Here's some of our friends.
An introduction with Team Trump 2.0. This was the beginning of the crucial Narendra Modi-Donald Trump bilateral. At the back of trade and tariff tensions, the optics said, good vibes only.
और मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है कि आते ही राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने एक मित्र की तरह मुझे पुराने अहमदाबाद के स्टेडियम की याद दिलाई। ये बात सही है कि ह्यूस्टन में हाउडी मोदी और गुजरात में अहमदाबाद में नमस्ते ट्रंप, वो दो एक ऐसी बहुत बड़े विशाल कार्यक्रम रहे जिसकी गूंज आज भी भारत के हर कोने में सुनाई दे रही है।
Well, I think more than anything else will be the unity. We have great unity. We have great friendship. He and I and our countries. And I think it's only going to get closer. He's doing a great job in India. Everybody talks about it. He's doing a really fantastic job. A great leader. Great leader. Thank you very much.
Surrounded by a bevy of reporters, Modi and Trump addressed the big elephant in the room: trade.
We want a certain level playing field, which we really think we're entitled to, and he does also, in fairness. So we're going to work on that very hard, and we can make up the difference very easily with the deficit, with the sale of oil and gas, LNG, of which we have more than anybody in the world.
And tariffs.
मैं राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप से एक बात हमेशा अप्रिशिएट करता आया हूं, सीखता आया हूं कि वे राष्ट्रहित को सर्वोपरि रख करके काम करते हैं। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप की तरह मुझे भी भारत के हितों को सर्वोपरि रखते हुए कार्य करना ये मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है।
The tariff tensions were looming large, with Trump raising the issue hours before the bilateral.
Traditionally, India is right at the top of the pack, pretty much. There are a couple of smaller countries that are actually more, but India is a they charge tremendous tariffs. I remember when Harley-Davidson couldn't sell their motorbikes into India because of the fact that India, the tax was so high, the tariff was so high. And Harley was forced to build, I guess they built, I don't know, that was a while ago, but I think they built a factory in India in order to avoid paying the tariffs.
The two leaders also talked war and peace.
At least 1.5 million soldiers have been killed on a ridiculous war that would have never happened if I were president. But we've got a long way to, I think we've got a long way to solving it. And then next week there's a meeting in Saudi Arabia, not with myself or President Putin, but with top officials. And Ukraine will be a part of it too. And we're going to see if we can end that war. That war is a horrible war. It's a vicious, bloody war. We want to end it.
दुनिया का एक सोच रही है कि भारत न्यूट्रल है। भारत न्यूट्रल नहीं है। भारत का अपना पक्ष है और भारत का पक्ष है शांति।
The pre-bilateral briefing set the tone for Modi-Trump talks, where nothing seemed to be off the table. With Geeta Mohan in Washington, D.C., Bureau Report, India Today.
I'm thrilled to welcome the Prime Minister of India, my friend,